Hey, mister.
Whoa! Who's a clever boy? Who's a clever boy?
Hey.
Oh, there's one here, look, as well. One on that tree there.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, nice colour.
hello there.
Made it jump.
Hello.
Sorry, mate.
Hello. Hello there. Hello.
Long John Silver, Long John Silver. Give us a smile.
Hello there. Hello.
Long John Silver.
Hello. 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 Hello.
She's thinking, who's this crazy woman keep talking to me? Long John Silver.
Hey, look at this one with a tin in its mouth, Brian.
Shiver me timbers, shiver me timbers.
There, look, that's where they live, under that little cover. Look, that's
yeah,
where it
right.
lives. Under that little cover in a wooden box.
Yeah.
That'll be where it lives. Yeah.
Oh yeah, hey. Hello. Hey, he's got hold of my hand.
Hey, mind it doesn't hurt your arm.
Uh,
Does it scratch? Does it scratch?
no,
No.
he's climbing up my arm.
It's only a little one, is it? It's smaller, isn't it, than the other one?
Yeah. Oh, that was funny. Yeah. And this is Bangkok, small little seaside village we just found. We have those monkeys just climbing up my arm, and just stopped for a coffee here. There's nobody on the beach. Not much of a beach, but anyway. And you've got those boats with the long propellers on. You can see the long propeller there right at the end of the boat. Absolutely phenomenal things. Like a long-tail boat. Beautiful sunny day. And there's some islands over there in the distance, some other islands in Koh Samui. And then the mainland's over there. So we caught a ferry last night and came across to Koh Samui. So yeah, cool. Lovely warm day. Got the monkeys here because they collect the coconuts off the palm trees. They actually climb up the tree and get the coconuts. So hopefully I might get a picture of that. Anyway. That's my dad there. Sat down. It's his birthday today, he's 83. So happy birthday, Dad. That monkey's chasing him. He's just climbed up my arm a few minutes ago. He's a bit of a comedian actually. And we've got those birds in the background there. Those parakeets.
Can't let him sit down.
Put him on your knee, Dad. There you go. Hey, he wants to climb up on your shoulder. Friendly little guy, isn't he? Look at that, up on your shoulder. He's one of those that climbs up the palm tree and gets a coconut for you. Yeah, you got to watch your wallet. It's worse than a Thai bar girl. He'll take your wallet. Okay, cool.